Hello everyone, Jawtooth again, and today I'm in Springfield, Ohio. Springfield, Ohio is 45 miles west of Columbus, Ohio. Has a population of 58,662, and it's the county seat for Clark County. I came here to check out these horn railroad crossings. This is a no train horn zone for Norfolk Southern, and a lot of these crossings have horns on it. So that's what we're going to see. We're going to see a train going through one of these crossings with the horns. I'll show you that. And hopefully we'll get a couple other trains. Start the video, son. Springfield, Ohio. Here we go. Here is a horn at one of the railroad crossings in Springfield. They've got a bunch of these, at least a half a dozen that I saw. Springfield is a no train horn zone for Norfolk Southern, so they don't blow the horns at any of the crossings. And at least a half a dozen crossings have these instead. So these are aimed at the cars. And before the train gets to the crossing, each one of these will blare a horn out. Sounds sort of similar to a train. You'll see. We're gonna get one. Oh, my ears. Thanks, Wally. Never fails. Okay, so there they are. That's what they look like up close. And it's got an X up here. Somehow that X is for the train crew to let them know that the crossing is working properly. And here's a crossing right here. There's also another crossing right over there, and it's got the horn you can see on the left-hand side of the crossing. Right there. There's a couple horns on that. This railroad crossing is pretty interesting too, because it's got this old signal right here. So you got the old line side signal. So I'm facing westbound, railroad west. So if a train would go from me towards that signal, the light would be on green. It'd be on green on the top right. If a train was coming from that direction towards me, those lights would be on red. Right now it's just yellow over red. All right, we're going to see how these horns sound. We're going to catch a train coming through and show you what these horns are like. It's kind of interesting. I know there's a few spots in Ohio that have these. Loveland has them. All right, let's see what we can do. Oh, here's how those bells work. I mean the horn. Hear that horn? See how loud that thing is? right, there you go. I shouldn't have changed locations. Right when I changed locations, that train came. That was a good one though. All kinds of stuff on that one. Interesting railroad crossing right there. Look at that. First time ever filmed that one. And the very heart of the downtown is just up that way. Springfield. All right, thanks for watching. That was pretty cool. Right over here at the Side Tracks Tavern. That's what that says. Somebody must have recognized me in that truck. It happens a lot anymore. Anyways, that was still pretty cool. Thanks for watching, everyone. I keep hearing sirens. Since I've been here, it's just nothing but constant sirens. Where's this one at? Oh, they're over that way. Just missed them. It's a fire truck. All right, I'm in a very interesting railroad crossing over here just east of the Marriott. We've stayed at that motel before. It's just right back behind me right over there. Courtyard by Marriott. I've stayed there and watched trains. But right now with the leaves on the trees, you can't always see the trains. It's an interesting railroad crossing. See that X up there on that pole that flashes? That lets the trains know whether or not the gates are down, if the crossing's activated properly. So right now the gates are up and it's flashing an X. And the LO4 local is going to be coming around that way from the left. It's going to go across the road down towards the Y over there. And they're going to take a run around the Y and go back the other way. That Y connects with the Indiana and Ohio Railroad. And trains here on 160.980. So I heard them go past the defect detector just about 5 minutes ago, so they should be here pretty soon. Oh, I'm starting to hear something dinging. Next crossing down. So this one's going to be activated anytime. Oh, just called clear east. Hear more sirens again. Try to get the signal dropping. I think I got it. All right, that was pretty cool. No, I don't really understand the X on that pole up there. I thought I did. There she goes. Gonna go around the Y and come back the other way. All right, thanks for watching. Let's see if we can find another spot to get this train, or another train, whatever comes through next. All right, the train's over there, going around the east leg of the Y. I couldn't walk over there in time. So they're gonna be turning around, coming back. They'll be coming back on the left side of this pile of gravel. See that track right there? They'll go back around that way. So they're using this Y that's a connection with the Indiana-Ohio Railroad, using that to turn the train around. And the track goes right through there. That's the west leg of the Y. So they'll be coming through here pretty soon. Look at these old abandoned railroad tracks here, all ripped up. 2 tracks right here. They went right through here. Not sure where they went to, probably some kind of industry. This is milepost 183. Defect detectors at 185.1. Okay, here they come. They're on the west leg of the Y right now. This is the LO4. It's a local. Running long hood forward. All right, there you go. Better than nothing. It's kind of cool. Went around the Y and came back the other way. Long hood forward. About 9 cars or so. Well, let's see what else we can get into. I've heard of scat before, but this isn't what I think of when I hear that word. So it means something else in Springfield, as you can see. There's a railroad crossing. Not a very busy track. Not many trains go through here, really. Let's have a look at the rail right next to railroad crossing. It was rolled by Mital USA in 2011. 5 dashes, that's May. And it's 132 pounds per yard. There you go. All right, check this out. I found another one of those railroad crossings. It's got the horns, and we've got a train coming. We got an eastbound train coming right now. So there's the horns on the pole right there. Always shooting into the sun. Maybe I can get another angle. There's some homeless people down there. All right, train's gonna come from that way here pretty soon. I'm gonna get a different angle. All right, there comes the train right down that way. And the horn is right here. Kind of hard to see with the stuff in the way. Right there. All right, see if it go off. There you go. They are loud. Check out those side dump cars. Wow, those are cool looking. Carry ballast in those. Open door on a boxcar. This is a long one. It's a good one. Perfect light too. 90 degrees today. I'm on the east side of Springfield. All right, there you go. Got to see those things. That was pretty cool. That's what I came here for. I wanted to show those horns on the poles. That's pretty unusual. It's not very many of those in Ohio. I know they got them out west. They've got them in Loveland, Ohio. I filmed them there, and this is my second time to film them here in Springfield. I filmed them about 3 years ago here. All right, thanks for watching, everyone. That was pretty cool. The horns on the pole. Earlier today, I was going to make a video of the I&O Railroad, Indiana, Ohio. So I went to Wilmington, Ohio to film a train up there. And I got a train, but it was just a little short one. One locomotive and like 4 cars, and that was it. So I'll show you what I got. Go ahead and show that on here right now, because I don't know what else I'm going to do with that. Since the train was that short, I wasn't going to chase it. So I came up here instead of spending my day chasing the I&O Railroad. I came up here to Springfield. Look at this building. That is cool. I think it's about 11 stories. All right, here we go. The Indiana and Ohio Railroad. Hello everyone, Jawtooth here. Hey, I'm in Wilmington, Ohio on the Indiana and Ohio Railroad. And this is a railroad crossing I've never filmed before. Just on the, I guess the east side of town. They just did some work at this crossing not too long ago. Over the summer I saw them working. And guess what? We got a train coming right now. So start the video. This ought to be really awesome. Let's see what we got. Getting lucky. Wilmington, Ohio, where I was born, but not raised. Gate's already going back up. Well, I was actually hoping for more than that, but it was, at least it was a train. But not gonna lie, I'm a little bit disappointed. Let's have a look at the rail if we can find a date anywhere. Looks like it's welded rail. Old Baltimore and Ohio track. There's a weld right there. Oh, here we go. I found some. We're right next to the railroad crossing. 1944 is when that was rolled. Wow. That's an old piece of rail right there. Let's see. Open hearth method. That's at OH. 112 pounds per yard. That's what that says. Let's see. How many dashes? About 8 dashes for August. Rolled in August of 1944, that piece right there. That's an old piece of track. Can't believe it's in there. That's interesting. 112 pounds per yard. And that train's already gone. All right, well, that's it. Gonna have to find something else to do the rest of the day. Thanks for watching. Hey, I found a little kitty cat. That's the second cat that I've seen in town. Good sign. Hi, kitty. That's a cute one. But wait, there's more. There always is. Here we go. Oh yeah, something I didn't mention. Springfield is the city that they've been talking about on the news, where they dropped off 15 to 20,000 Haitian migrants. And I have seen some of them, not a whole lot. I've seen a lot of homeless people up here. I had a girl come up to me. She said she was homeless and asked for some money, so I gave her $5. And she said I had pretty blue eyes, so that's pretty nice. Anyways, there you go. Hey, what is that thing? Does anybody know? What is that? I've never seen one of those before. But wait, I got lucky. There's more. Got the 42N coming. This is an eastbound train, and they were talking to a dispatcher a few minutes ago, See, they got a clear signal to come on through. All right, I hope they make it before it gets dark, because it's getting dark pretty fast right now. That's the motel that we stayed in one time, long time ago. We stayed on the top floor on the left-hand side, that corner right there. It's got the balcony. You can see the trains really good from right there. I remember when we stayed there, the kids were wanting to sleep on the balcony. And I came out there whenever trains went by and I watched the trains go by. That was before I had a channel on YouTube though. It's been a while. Look at the sidewalk right here. How you supposed to walk through there? Some of those trees need cut back just a little bit. All right, here we go. I finally heard the train on the defect detector. Just went past the defect detector. That's only a couple miles down that way. It's weird how my camera does that. Try it again. Huh. Anyways, should be coming around that curve at any time. No train horn zone, unfortunately. Just before dark. It's coming just in time. And I gotta get out of here after this one. It's probably not real safe after dark in this area. I bet this is a heavy one. Sounds like they're pulling hard. New York Central Heritage Unit. That was pretty sweet. Working hard. This is a loaded grain train. If you can see the springs, they're down pretty good. They're compressed. Go check them out. Just getting dark. Plenty of light in that little spot right there. All right, there she goes. Thanks for watching, everyone. Got a few trains through here today. Not too bad. Time to head home now. We got a long drive back. And if you have time, check out another one of my videos, because all the views are what pay the gas. Help pay that gas. So check out some of my steam trains, or my street running trains too. I got all kinds of street runners. I got them from 6 or 7 different states, a whole bunch of different cities. So check out my street runners. All right, we'll see you later. Coming to you from Springfield, Ohio.